Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, October 17th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar yen, and we're on the daily time frame. So, on the daily time frame, this is going down very hard, as you can see. It's looking very impulsive. If it goes down and breaks this low right here, then this could be the end of this whole move up that we've been in for several months now, pretty much since April. But we don't really know that to be true yet. It definitely could either just fill the gap and go back up, or it could just go to one of these Fibonacci levels and go back up. So we definitely still want to be paying attention on shorter time frames. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, we are definitely still making lower lows, lower highs, and I've been recommending shorts until we get a break of that lower low, lower high. We got lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high. My most recent structure is actually right here because that's the end of the last pullback. So even if price does go up, as long as it doesn't break this last lower high, it definitely still could be within a downtrend. And if it just keeps on going down and down and down and eventually gives us that big breaker structure, that's what's going to prove to me that this is really a top on the higher time frames and that we are in a big trend reversal. We don't want to wait for the breaker structure way down here, so we are going to be looking for shorts while hopefully we learn and earn at the same time whether this really is a trend reversal or not. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.